Justin Kerr here, talking more field sanitation tips and tricks. Just for today, we want to talk about catch points, specifically your rollers on your conveyance systems. Want to make sure that we're not allowing product to build up in those areas throughout our wash. Always pull your harvesters out of the field so you're not around unharvested product. And then throughout your process, if you have belt tensioning devices, it's important that you stop the belts, decrease the tension, open up the belts, and rinse all product away from the inside of the belts. On inclines, you're going to see water and product continuously depositing through the inside down to the bottom roller. So we should be constantly focusing on rinsing, washing, and any visual inspection we can do throughout the wash to make sure we don't have product building up at the rollers. On a horizontal belt like this, you have structure that may be blocking access. So raising one end of the conveyor and allowing the tension to be released so that you can get to all the rollers to remove product is going to help you decrease ATP. It's going to help you decrease micro testing when you're doing that on your harvesters.